I think it helps to know what types of things that they, in their current career that they have, what kind of things they like, what kind of things they don't like, what kind of things they're looking at changing, doing differently, what some of their personal strengths are that they think are not being utilized in their current career. If it's something as basic as if they're in a career field that they think is due to the economy, due to the job market, just a career that's being phased out, and they're looking at going into something different, or if it's just they need to change maybe the job, maybe that they're in a career that they like, but the particular job that they have is something they're not interested in. So just kind of weighing and looking at what exactly they're looking for and what works best for them in that situation. Once we determine if it is going back to school, what the educational goal is, you have to see how it fits in your lifestyle. If it means looking into financial aid, looking into part-time jobs, something to get you through that change, kind of setting a roadmap on how you're going to get there. How is it going to work? How is it going to happen? How long is it going to take? And I start at the beginning with students from filling out the application. If they're going to go back to school to learn a new trade, we start at the beginning with the application process, getting your transcripts to, this is your curriculum, these are the classes you need to take, this is what you need to do. This is, financial aid, these are the loans, scholarships, grants, and things that are available to assist you, child care options, kind of from beginning to end, how it's going to fit in your life, how we can make this work for you to help you reach that end goal.